PA66 Resin Particles Pulverizer. 2.75 CPS PA66 Resin Particles. These plastic pulverizer machines are high-speed, precision grinders for the processing of medium-hard, impact-resistant and friable materials. The material to be pulverized is introduced through the center of a vertically fixed grinding disc, which is mounted concentrically with an identical high-speed rotating disc. To point for CPS PA66 resin particles. Centrifugal force carries the material through the grinding area, and the resulting powder is collected with a blower and cyclone system. To point to CPS PA66 resin particles. Vibrating screen, installation of screen according to the grinding mesh, continuous production, automatic classification and screening, easy to replace.